Welcome to Grub with the Grissetts, family food and fun. Welcome to Grub with the Grissetts, family food and fun. Welcome to Grub with the Grissetts. We are second to none.
Hey guys! Today we'll be doing some slime. Instead of Grubs with the Grissetts, we're not going to be eating, we're going to be making some slime.
Hey guys, Mama Grisset here. Today, Haley is going to be the person doing all the talking, and I'm going to be being the person to do what she tells me to do. And today, since it's St. Patrick's Day, we thought, let's play with some slime.
Woo!
Of course, I'm going to make some green slime. So, Haley, let's take it away. Let us know what we're doing. So, and this is Christian. I consider Christian. Pay attention so Haley can show us.
Okay. So what you want to do is add your glue first. If you want to make a lot, you could add the whole bottle if you like.
Okay. You guys need help opening it?
I got it.
So we couldn't find Elmer's glue, so we got school glue from Dollar General. Alright, so
pour this thing.
pour the whole thing in there,
pour
right?
it, yep.
Okay.
That's if you want to.
Alright, so I'm putting the whole thing in there. Wait for me, Haley, because I want to see exactly what you do.
We're gonna mix.
Alright, so we're going to mix the slime. I'm going to show you guys.
Mix it.
Mine's green, of course. St. Patrick's
Guys,
Day.
it's getting a little slimy.
Okay, and so she said, you gotta mix it really good.
Alright.
Do you want some more green, Christian?
Yes, I need some more green. Green.
Okay, and so then we're gonna open up what, Haley? The eye drops?
Yep.
Okay, so now she says, open up some eye drops.
Where's mine? My mom
Yours is right
how
there.
to open these up. I need her help.
Okay, so we got all these products. That box is right there.
Oh.
We got all these products. Oh my God, this is so hard to open. We got all these products from the dollar store. The only thing we did not get from the dollar store was the glue. And we got it from Dollar General. So if you have a Dollar General on your way, it's like all glue has been disappeared from the slime crew. So now, do we put some of that in there?
Hey, what we do? We could sometimes you could put the eye drops in first.
Oh guys, we're missing baking soda.
Oh.
I remember I see the girls do that before. So she did a sprinkle of baking soda. I hope I'm doing it right. Now let's see. Ooh, mine's getting thicker. See. It's getting a little thick.
Mine is getting thick. Yeah, mine's getting
Oh
thick.
yeah.
No, Ellie, I do it by myself.
Okay, mine's getting thicker.
Yup.
Yep. Okay, so it probably will work better with Elmer's glue because Elmer's glue is not cheap. But we're gonna get it. Oh, the more I add. Oh, okay, it's working.
Okay, I need this.
Woo! It's working. See?
Guys, I can do this. Mommy, I'm making slime. Look.
Guys, it's getting thicker.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I think I need more baking soda. I don't need no more baking soda.
So the baking soda.
Mom's
See
getting
how it's getting
sticky.
thicker and clumpy?
Yeah. God, look at
Yes,
me.
Christian.
Oh!
Yes. So yeah, a little more of that.
Oh my gosh, it's getting...
Yes, Haley's coming together.
Mommy, look.
Yes, come outside.
Yeah, baby.
Guys, it was the baking soda. Look, it definitely was baking soda we were missing. Look how pretty.
Do we need this now?
Do we need this, Haley? Do we need this, Haley? Yeah, we need this.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Alright, let me. Alright.
You want some?
Yeah.
It smells good, guys. This is shaving cream raspberry.
Woo. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it works perfect with that. Look at my slime.
Yeah, it's before.
Oh my God.
Now I got.
Mama Grisset made slime, guys. Look. Oh my
Guys,
God.
look at mine.
You guys gotta keep playing with it. Keep playing with it. Oh
Wait,
my God.
how come
look.
I'm not doing that?
You gotta keep stirring it, honey. Yours is there. You just gotta keep stirring.
Okay. Yeah, but y'all playing with yours.
Because
guys, look at
you
mine.
gotta keep me in it. You gotta keep me in it. Oh my god, look at my slime! Mama Grisset made slime, guys! I'm excited. Because I saw this on
Yeah, it's been fun.
I've been watching this on
it's been
YouTube.
fun, but now I got to.
Oh, look at Christian! It's Christian. Now play with it. Oh my god, smell it.
It smells like raspberry.
Oh my god, guys, this is so cool.
Smell.
I'm gonna put this a little bit more
Yum.
at the Grissetts' house.
CG
Oh my
just
God.
made some slime. CG just made some slime.
There it is.
Mommy, look.
Yes. Ah! Look at it
Oh
move.
my god. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, this is so awesome. We have
Yo.
succeeded. We were scared at first, guys, but look at this. Mama Grisset made slime. It's not sticking to me. Guys, look. Okay, so now, Haley said we could add stuff to our slime.
Up, y'all.
So I'm gonna add, what should I add, guys? Should I add the yellow crystals? They look like little gold, because you know leprechauns love gold. Or should
Yeah,
I add like some sand rocks? Or should I add like some blue glitter? Comment down below, what do you think I should use for my slime?
Well, you know what I'm gonna use?
I'm gonna use some of this yellow crystal because guess what? It's so pretty. So I'm gonna do that. Ooh. You hear mine? You hear mine make that noise? Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys up close. Oh my god, so you guys can see.
Yo, guys. Yeah.
Okay, do you need help?
Yeah, I'm trying to open this.
Okay, so I'm done this one, so I'm gonna put this down and help my daughter. Okay, where's the scissors? Don't do this at home. Alright, now where are you putting it?
Please, guys, don't do this at home. I'm begging you.
Christian, you gotta use your hands, honey.
Huh?
Gotta use your hands.
Gotta use my hand.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. This is what I'm talking about. All right, mommy.
Oh, Haley, I hear the crunch.
Mommy.
You hear it?
Yeah, mommy. And mommy, first you gotta get that yellow feeling in it.
Gotta get the crunch in there.
Mom, you gotta get the yellow feeling in it, and then get these babies.
Okay, don't do too much, honey. Okay, now while that's going on, I'm gonna add some glue to my slime. I was like, ooh, why not? Why not add some glue? This is fun. I feel like, do you want to add some more moisture to it?
Yeah.
Okay, here's this.
Mom, with the gold and the rainbow?
What the eye drops?
Eye drops?
The eye drops? Something simple and not too big. I don't want it too big because I already got it
Right here. No, bro. Oh, yeah.
So I'm just gonna put a couple drops of this in here because I think this stuff works fine.
Now,
So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna use the baking soda. I'm gonna use all three just in case.
what do I do with these?
Just put them down. Yeah, this is a table where we can just fix it up. Ooh. All right, mine's getting in there already. Oh my goodness. I don't even think I needed all that stuff. Guys, this is so fun. Now I understand why people do it. I'm doing a pink one. You guys can see. It's like a pink.
I want to do another, what's the other?
Yellow.
Oh, I want pink. Mommy,
What about what, huh?
the slime? It's gonna make it. It's okay, Christian.
It's okay, Christian. Mine ain't, mine is fine. And I think I'm good. Yeah, I'm good after this. Woo! I love baking soda.
Till then, when
baking
can I
soda.
see
Yeah, I
you
put baking soda
again?
Oh my God,
when can we
guys.
do this
I got it.
When can I see you
I think I'm more excited about this than my daughter.
Whoa.
She's probably like, Mom, don't be shaming me. Oh my God, guys, look. Oh my God. Look how pretty this is.
Till then,
I'm
when
making a
can I
mess.
see you again? When can we do this again? Whoa, when can I
Alright,
see
so I
you
kneaded it.
again? Whoa,
Because I seen a girl do this.
I got
and I guess it works because I'm mixing it very
When
well.
can we do this again? Whoa,
And it looks like it is working.
When can I see you again? Whoa,
Guys, look how pretty
when
this
can we do this again? Whoa, you guys, mine is coming to a product. Mine is
God.
getting up.
This is
I
awesome.
got
I think I'm
no
gonna just mix
When can we do this
Oh my
again? Whoa, when can we do this again? Whoa,
Okay, so
see you again. Whoa,
this is fun, but I'm gonna need some more of that. Can you give me some more of that stuff, Haley?
This,
Yeah, right here on my hand. More.
wait.
Okay, Christian, you're going crazy over there. Calm down, buddy, but it looks very nice.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay. Ooh, yes, this is fun, Haley. I'm so glad you introduced this to me. Oh, you guys, what are you guys doing on St. Patrick's Day? This is what I'm doing. Just hanging out with the kiddos. My other boys, they went to a birthday party, so me and the other kiddos, we are doing some slime. You guys having fun?
Yeah.
I knew she would like this. I knew they both would like it.
Where's my slime?
Guys, I did it. It was sticky. I was losing my mind for a minute. All right, I gotta help my baby. Okay, this is extra goo goo. Extra goo goo. All right, you got an extra goo goo. So you gotta knead it really good. You put too much. Yay.
But now I got
So far, I made mine too. I made a green slime for St. Patrick's Day, and I made a pink slime. Got a little too much. Okay, it's working. It's getting in there, so we're doing something right.
Rainbow Dash slime.
Anything you guys want to say about St. Patrick's Day before we
It's
say
the
bye to the
greatest.
viewers?
We love you, St. Patrick. It's the most amazing
Thank you
day
for
ever.
making a church.
Okay, so we love you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this channel and press that notification bell button. And we love you. So peace. Grow with the Grissetts. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Wait.